हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम निधि परिया। मैं हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा है डेटा प्रिपरेशन फेस्ट टू मॉडल दी डेटा। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि मॉडल को इवेल्युएट कैसे करेंगे। सो मॉडल इवेल्युएशन इज ए क्रिटिकल स्टेप in assessing how well a model performs on unseen data. It involves using different matrices and methods to measure the accuracy, precision, and generalization of model. Here is an outline of common evaluation metrics and methods used in both Python and R for both classification and regression. अब एक चीज़ आती है कि हमें मॉडल इवैल्यूएशन को पाइथन का यूज़ करके परफॉर्म कैसे करना है. So to perform model evaluation in Python, you can use various matrices provided by the SCI-KIT Learn library for both classification and regression tasks. Here is a guide on how to evaluate different types of model efficiently. From sklearn.matrix import accuracy score, precision score, recall score, F1 score, raw AUC score, confusion matrix, mean squared error, RT score, import numpy as NP. Assuming y-test, true label, and y-pit predictor labels are defined for classification, classification matrix accuracy is equal to accuracy score y-test and y-pit. Precision is equal to precision score y-test y-pit average weighted recall equal to recall score y-test y-pit average weighted. F1 equal to F1 score y-test y-pit average is equal to weighted. ROC AUC is equal to row score y-test RF model dot predict proba XT for binary classification. प्रिंट करवा दिया accuracy को प्रिविजन रिकॉल F1 ROC and AUO को. अब रिग्रेशन मैट्रिक्स देखेंगे तो MSE is equal to mean squared error y-test y-pit. RMSE is equal to NP dot SQRT MSE जो कि होता है mean squared error. R2 is equal to R2 score y test y plat mean squared error. That means MSE को हम पेंट कर देंगे और रूट मीन स्क्वायर्ड एरर दैट मीन्स RMSE को पेंट कर देंगे और R स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स R2 को हमने पेंट कर दिया. Now accounting for unequal error cost using Python. So in scenario where different types of classification errors carry unequal cost, you can account for these by adjusting the model to prioritize the more costly error. Here's how. First one is class weight. So assign weights to classes in model that support it. Example, random forest classifier, logistic regression in skit learn, use class weight is equal to balance, or specify custom weights to give more importance to classes with higher error cost. Second one is custom loss function. So for more control, create a custom loss function that penalize certain errors more heavily. This can be used with model supporting custom metrics such as in TensorFlow or with advanced implementation in scikit-learn. Third one is confusion metric analysis. So use the confusion metrics to identify and adjust for costly misclassification, ensuring the evaluation metrics align with business. Thank you for watching this video.